Today in this video, I'm going to show you a very free, simple way how you can make money online from Jamaica or anywhere you are in the Caribbean, or it doesn't matter where you are in this world. I'm going to show you a very simple, free way how you can go about making money online. So if you're interested, watch this video to the end. Okay? As that being said, I'm going to show you how to make money with this website, digistore24.com, and also tag. Yes, do you know that you can make money using tag? I'm going to show you how you can go about making money using tag and digistore24. So all you need to do is go to www.digistore24.com. When you land on this page, all you need to do is click on affiliates. We're going to get started as an affiliate. So when you click on affiliates, all you need to do is click right here where it said sign up now. No, where it said start now. You're going to click right there. To get started with Digistore, it's 100% free to join. So when you click start, when you click that button, it's going to take you to this page. All you need to do is fill out all the necessary information you need to fill out. So the first thing you need to do is click on affiliate, and you're going to fill out your username. You're going to fill out this is not recommended, so you're going to leave this blank, and you're going to put in your email. You're going to put in a password. You're going to put in your title, if you are a male or a female or whatsoever. You're going to put in your first name, your last name, the company name. You can just put in your first name and the last name as well. Street address. You're going to put in your zip code, your city, the state. You can just put in your parish if you're from the Caribbean. So you can just put in your parish or just the city right there. The country. You're going to put in your phone number. If you don't have a Skype name, you can just put in a random Skype name right there. And next thing, you're going to click on these two terms and conditions. When you click on it, you're going to click on register for free now. And as soon as you have your account, what you need to do is log into your account. When you log into your account, you're going to go to the marketplace right here. Yes, you're going to go to the marketplace, and when we're in the marketplace, I'm going to show you. You're going to scroll down to find product, and all of these products allow you to make money, and I'm going to show you how to sell, how you can go about selling any one of these products. So all you need to do is pick a product that you like from the marketplace, and the next thing you need to do is get a link. Get a link, shorten that link in bit.ly, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can go about doing that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to pick a product. I'm going to pick this product, the done for you service. This product allow me to earn $547 US whenever I make a sale from this product. And to promote this product, all I need to do is copy this link. Yes, copy this link. When I copy this link, I want to go to bit.ly to get this link shortened, and when I paste that link right there, it's going to shorten the link for me. As you can see, the link is shortened. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to tag. And if you don't have a tag account, it's 100% free to join. So you can just go to www.tagged.com and create your free tag account. You can just create a simple profile. You can just get a simple profile picture and put it right here if you don't want to show your face, and just put a random name if you don't want to put your real name. Okay, and just get started with this process. So what you need to do next to make this work, you need to go to home. As soon as you have your target account, there's two ways you can go about making money using this method. And the first way, you can just message people, like leave a comment below whatever they post up and tag. So I'm going to show you how you can go about doing so. So I have this call to action already covered. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this and show you exactly what I'm going to do. What I will do, I will just click on comment right there and I will just write a call to action like this, and go back to my bit.ly to get my affiliate link and paste it right here. So this is my affiliate link. So you can just write a simple, you can just even muggle this time or thought. I figure you might find this useful. That's what I write. And you can just use, you can just copy this and use the same thing. So what I will do next, right here, I will just click on comment. As you can see, it is right here. So I can just continue doing this over and over and over, but I don't want to do this more than 25 times. Okay, so you can just send people message like this, and whenever they click on this link, it's going to take them to the product. And when them check out the product, and if them interested in this product and purchase this product, I'm the one that going to earn this money from this product, which is $547.61 and 16 cents, sorry, and 16 cents US. Okay, so this is a simple way anyone can go about making money online using Digistore and Tagged. So I'm going to show you the next way how you can go about promoting your link and tag for free. So the next thing you can do, go right here to browse, and when you go to browse, you can just search a people who you want to find your product, or you want to message your product about. So what I'm going to do, all these female I can send message. So what I can do, you can just go right here to this filter. When you go right here to this filter, it's going to ask you who you want to interact with. So you can click right there, male or female. If you want to click on male, you can just click right there, and when you click right there, the age group, you can put in the age group that you want to see or send message to. The country, you can put in the country as well, and just click on update. When you click on update, it's going to give you a bunch of picture, and as you can see, image online, image online, image online. So you can just message them right now. You can just message them your product link right now about this offer, and if they're interested, so you can just paste the message right there as well, and just hit send. And when you hit send, if they're interested, and click on this link, it's going to take them to your product page, and whenever they purchase, you are going to be, or me are going to be the one that earn that money. So simple as that, you can go about making money online, or in Jamaica, or in the Caribbean, or it doesn't matter where you are in this world. Okay? You can get paid by PayPal, wire transfer, check, all the option there for you to get paid. So this is a simple way for you to make money. Okay? So if you're interested, all you need to do is follow this step. And if you like this video, thumbs up, make me know that you like this video. If you have anything to say about this video, comment below, let me know what you think. And if you get value from this video and you want to share it with someone, go ahead and share this video to anyone you want to share it with. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, remember to click the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, because I always do video like this, how to go about making money online. Okay, have a nice day.